We created the AXS Companion in 2022 to support students. The AXS Toolbox for counselors was created this year to support high school counselors. Last year at ASCA in Atlanta, the counselors' response to the AXS Companion was overwhelming. The platform is organized, clear, and saves counselors time. So to simplify adding this to the classroom, high school and independent counselors created the AXS Toolbox. Starting on the homepage at axstoolbox.org, the AXS Toolbox opens with the AXS Companion and the Common App. The Toolbox contains adaptable lesson plans, slides, videos from the AXS Companion, and worksheets to streamline counseling tasks. And here are the 10 adaptable lesson plans that include slides with guidance from public high school counselors. Going to the lesson plans, by clicking this title, counselors can see at a glance all the information that is covered in each lesson and determine what they would like to assemble in their lesson plans for students. Please note that there are directions at the top of the lesson plan page and the slide page offering directions on how to edit the lesson plans or slides to fit classroom needs. Counselors can choose a lesson plan that includes lesson objectives, lesson plans with slides, assessments, and homework. Clicking slides in the title will open the slides that match the lesson plan. The lesson plan offers counselors adaptable step-by-step instructions. There are videos that explain how to fill in a section of Common App and then a link to Common App so that students can start to fill in this section during the class. And counselors can adapt the lesson plans to the length they want and add additional content. A blue background on a slide indicates that there's a worksheet available, and a green background indicates that this could be homework for the student. There's also a single lesson plan when there's limited time in a classroom or for a preview workshop about the Common App process. On the homepage, we additionally provide an electronic document with hyperlinks to AXS Companion videos, which can be useful if a counselor wants to focus on a section of Common App or they would like to send a link in an email to a student. They are AXS Companion videos to share directly with students, showing them how to fill in sections that are the most time-consuming for counselors. Our profile, activities, education, essays, courses and grades, which include the SSAR, SRAR videos, individual college questions and FERPA, letters of recommendation, and then the financial aid videos that are in English and Spanish. On the home page, there is a printable AXS Toolbox PDF to share with counselors that includes the QR code. There's also an AXS Companion printable PDF with a QR code to the AXS Companion. Since the AXS Companion offers free step-by-step guidance to students as they fill in Common App, this might be a good resource to have on the high school office bulletin board. On the menu, go to the student worksheets and forms, which include the student application checklist. This can be used for any college list, even if the college is not on Common App. It includes on the checklist every part of Common App, and the titles are hyperlinked to the AXS Companion. There's an activities brainstorming worksheet for students to write details about their activities prior to filling in the activities section. And lastly, the Common App essay topics. Returning to the home page, there are links to important information and resources, as well as vocabulary terms. The resources include help in creating a college list, exploring majors, and essay writing advice, as well as vocabulary words, all resources that will benefit students when using Common App. The AXS Toolbox is a free resource to streamline the counseling process, and the AXS Companion is a trusted source approved by NACAC. The AXS Toolbox was created by counselors for counselors with a goal of simplifying college access together.